Hello all, this is Ashwin again. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand the use of arrays statement in Python. So let us consider this example. In this example, a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to a divided by b. So these three lines of code does not raise any sort of exception. So let us run this code. And all we have is an output which reads did not encounter any exception. This is because we already have incorporated else block in the program, right? So it says print did not encounter any exception. So whenever we do not encounter any exception in these three lines, it will skip the execution of except block, and then it is going to run the else block. That we know, we have already seen this in the last tutorial. So now if I say b equal to 0 and save this piece of code and run this, so it is going to say error division by 0. Okay, this is because 1 by 0 is an exception, and when it encounters exception, it goes ahead and runs the code in the exception block. Okay, so now till now we have seen that exception is automatically raised whenever there is an error in the program. Okay, so while writing our own custom code, we might encounter a scenario where we have to raise an exception explicitly. Okay, so till now all the exceptions were raised by the interpreter itself. We did not play any sort of active role in raising those exceptions. So there is a way in Python that we can raise our own exception. We can even define our own exception, but that is for the later part of the tutorial. So now, as of now, we are just going to see how to raise our own exception. So now let us delete this code, or let us delete this code, or rather than that, let's modify it in a very nice way. Let's say if b equal to 0, then raise exception, and let's have a message saying an exception has been raised. Okay, this will explicitly raise an exception. Now let us see whether this code runs. Okay, now this code runs perfectly. So it says error, an exception has been raised. Okay, so here now you can see that we have made a change that if b equal to 0, then we are actually raising exceptions. We are raising that exception ourselves rather than the interpreter do it for us. So if I'm going to say now a divided by b, it will probably not run that piece of code. Okay, so it is raising the exception whenever b equal to 0. Okay, so during the flow of program execution, if we want to raise our own exception, okay, if we want to raise the exceptions explicitly on our own, then we can use this syntax: raise exception, and an exception has been raised. So whatever we are going to raise has to be either exception or a subclass or a child class of class exception, and then we need to send an error message along with that, so that the error message can be printed on the console or it can be logged. Okay, so this is how we can use the raise statement to raise an exception explicitly in our Python program. I hope you are clear with the concept. If you have any queries regarding with this code or the concept, you can let me know in the comment section down below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos on Python. Thanks a lot.